This home workout is about skills.
Okay, let's check if the rope has the right size. Put one foot on the rope, put your feet together, pull the handles up. If the cable ends at your sternum, that's the right size.
The rope passes the feet twice with every jump. Listen to how the double unders sound. Get used to the rhythm, get used to the sound. Don't jump super high and don't speed up like crazy. Breathe and be smooth.
It's actually good to practice on the balcony.
Jump on the balls of your feet, keep a stable midline and try to stay in one place. Your elbows are close to the body, the hands are slightly in front of the hips and spin the wrists. To find your rhythm and get the timing right, practice without the rope.
Find your rhythm.
Get 1, get 2, get 3. Practice, practice, practice. Don't give up. And then get them consistently. Trick yourself mentally so you don't trip on the last repetition you need to continue or finish your workout. Handstand is a matter of strength and flexibility. With the chest against the wall, practice alignment, hips over shoulder over wrists. Keep the chest away from the wall, the shoulders active and your legs straight. Please don't forget to leave something in the tank to come down again safely. Use the leg that feels natural for you to reach back and hop up into inversion. Squeeze your belly, your butt, your thighs and your calves. Release one foot at a time to calm down safely. Back against the wall is for upper body strength. Get the feet off the wall and balance. Stay up as long as you still can calm down safely. 3, 2, 1, go!